Welcome back, and we have some breaking news coming in. TMC has now hit out at Dinesh Trivedi after he officially joined the BJP today. Trinamool Congress called him ungrateful and claimed that he has backstabbed the ruling party in West Bengal ahead of the assembly polls as well. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush now joining us on the phone line. Piyush, the first reaction coming in from TMC stating and hitting out at Dinesh Trivedi after he joined the BJP, calling him ungrateful.
Well, yes, that's what now coming in from TMC, and I remember that TMC initially had also raised eyebrows when Dinesh Trivedi had resigned from the Rajya Sabha, and now again when he has officially joined today BJP, now TMC is hitting back at him, slamming him, for not being grateful to the party. Remember that TMC, there are many other leaders of TMC who are not happy in the Trinamool Congress, and they are willing to join BJP. Since the morning, we have seen many leaders joining BJP, including the top face of TMC, Dinesh Trivedi, who, in presence of BJP's national president, joined Bharatiya Janata Party at around 12:30 p.m. today. And after that, we are seeing reactions coming in now. First reaction coming in from TMC, they are now slamming Dinesh Trivedi, for not being grateful to the party. We have to see as to how Dinesh Trivedi himself is now going to respond, though he maintains that, there is a political violence going on. And also, we have seen how JP Nadda had praised him, saying that he was the right person in wrong party, and now today he is the right person in right party. So soon after his joining, TMC is now very much miffed. They are now hitting back at him and slamming him for joining Bharatiya Janata Party.
All right, thank you so much, Piyush, for getting us that update. In fact, the former TMC MP Dinesh Trivedi spoke exclusively to Republic TV after he officially joined the BJP, stating that he's the right person in the right party. He also this after his dramatic exit from the TMC.
देखिए, राजनीति कोई व्यापार तो है नहीं, इसमें लेन देन होती है। यदि वही होता तो हम 2 मिनट में ना तो रेल मंत्रालय छोड़ते, ना तो हमारे 5 साल से ज़्यादा जो अवधि बची थी राज्यसभा में वो छोड़ते। जनता ही सर्वोपरि हो।
Joining me over the phone line is Saugata Roy. Sir, your first reaction to the TMC now lashing out at Dinesh Trivedi after he has today officially joined the BJP.
Now, what does one tell about the man like Dinesh Trivedi? He is not from the state. Still, the party gave him 2 Rajya Sabha nominations and 2 Lok Sabha nominations. Altogether, 12 plus 10, 22 years. And after that, then he lost the election because he didn't go to his constituency. And after that, he was still given a Rajya Sabha nomination. He's such a greedy and unprincipled man. Then he resigned and joined the BJP on the eve of the elections. What sort of betrayal that one can think of? One was unprincipled politics. But Dinesh Trivedi has no impact in Bengal. So he has gone good riddance of bad rubbish.
But Mr. Roy, he has also stated in an official statement after joining the BJP that he was unhappy in the manner in which the functioning of the party was going on within the TMC, also stating that the party was no more within the control of Mamata Banerjee.
No, that is wrong. If he was unhappy, he could have said it inside the party. He made a drama and resigned inside the parliament, which is also not very legal. So, always people who leave and join another party give many excuses. But because of their unprincipledness, their excuses do not have any credibility. And Dinesh Trivedi, besides, is a man totally divorced from people. He's saying जनता सर्वोपरि है, तो जनता उसको हरा दिया क्यों? कभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में नहीं जाते थे क्यों? Why? This question needs to be answered by him. But BJP is in the business of taking people from other parties. They have no headers of their own, so they're taking people from other parties, even useless people like Dinesh Trivedi.
But Mr. Roy, he also is blaming the TMC of Tolabazi corruption and how it is not in the Bengal's culture of cut money. Your reaction to that and how he's blaming the TMC for bringing in that culture to the state?
Culture of what? Black money.
Cut money, sir, cut money. He speaks about how there is a culture of corruption, Tolabazi, that has been brought to the state by the TMC.
Why didn't he talk about this earlier when he was Lok Sabha member from the party from 2011 to 2009 to 2019? These people, they leave the party and then as an afterthought, they think that the party indulged in corruption. Why didn't he think of it before? Having enjoyed 10 years as a Lok Sabha member and then earlier 12 years as a Rajya Sabha member. These are selfish people concerned only about themselves. They don't care about the party status. He will do the same in BJP also. He has no principles.
Right. All right. Many thanks, Saugata Roy, for joining us here on Republic TV. And remember, Saugata Roy had spoken about the fact as to how the people like Dinesh Trivedi enjoy power during their tenure and leave the party at the time of election.